Morning guys, Mickey here, Hampshire Outdoors and Survival. So, I'm up the woods, nobody else is here yet, so I decided to get a little fire going. Didn't want to use too many resources, so one log, like a bit of a Swedish fire stove I suppose. See how that goes, get a little bit of heat on, get a brew on and wait for the others to turn up. So yeah, that's going to be, I wasn't going to do a video today, but it's just a little extra I'll sling up. Not going to be a lot of talking in it, purely simply I'm up here on my own and I'm enjoying the peace of quiet. So it's just me setting up a single Swedish fire, which will end. which will end up like that. Now, Swedish fire or Swedish log, it's a great way of using minimum resources, creating a fire that's controllable, that you can cook on and use. It's been used for centuries in very, very cold climates and conditions. It's also a great way of getting damp wood going, okay, because primarily you're using birch or pine, which burn readily, and you're using other resources from that pine tree, like the fat wood, twigs and so on, to get it going. It's not something that requires a huge amount of resource. The heat's also controllable, so if you use freestanding logs like I have, you can move them in and out. You can control the amount of oxygen getting into the fire, you can control the heat bouncing back on itself, but it's just a matter of getting that core started. Okay guys, right, we'll crack on. Put this up, you can watch it. I might put a little bit of music with it. Other than that, guys, have a great day. Enjoy yourselves, get outside, have your adventures. This is Mickey, Hampshire Outdoors and Survival. Catch you on the next one.